Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is April the 15th, tax day, except we're getting a little extra days this year because it is on a Sunday. My short show today is my moringa trees. Okay, here's a moringa tree that I just planted out into the garden. I had sprouted it in this little solo cup. And I planted it in front of my goji berry so that it will give the goji berry some filtered light in the morning when it's hot this summer. Last year I had a couple moringa trees. There's a little one right there, and my tallest one right there, which I measured that at 12 feet. I don't know why that one grew so well, other than the fact that it's in that hugelkultur bed. But I'm still hoping that one will sprout out from the roots. A lot of people are saying it's still alive under the ground and it's going to sprout out. But the tree definitely looks dead. Alright, so that's my moringa short show for today. I'm putting these short shows in a playlist, and I will put that link in the description, or maybe even up above here if I figure out how to do that. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe so you get all my updates as soon as they're posted. Have a blessed day.